I can't find me dibble anywhere. Normally I plant the Oerprei as the brood balls about September-ish. This year I planted them in July into pots and they've come on quite nicely. Not all the brood balls have come up, but enough to give us a reasonable head start off. So I'm going to pick these back out and put them in the garden, basically plant them just like leeks. But there's one problem. I can't find me dibble anywhere. I'm going to have to make do. Okay, I'm going to start off preparing the bed a bit by adding in some bloodfish and bone, and some chicken manure pellets. And I'll just rotivate them in. So that's got them mixed up a bit. You can see there's still a bit of grass from the mulch on it, but that's fine. That's just to break down over winter. So if I start off bringing the Oerprei over, so what I'm going to do is start breaking these up and taking out the ones that are grown. And I'll probably put all the ones that aren't grown yet, just sprinkle them in to a line. So I'll be doing these a bit like leeks, poking a hole, sticking these in, and then just letting them fill up. Got some nice roots in there. As you can see, if we look here, see some of the brood balls haven't come yet, but they're starting to form their roots, whereas others have grown quite nicely. So I'm just going to try and break these up, keeping as much root as I can. So I'm just splitting them off so they've got the root systems free. And I'm just putting the ones that haven't quite grown yet to the side. Most of the ones in this pot have actually started growing, so okay, so what I'll do is I'll just take this off. I can't find my normal dibbler, so I'm going to have to make do and mend. I'm just going to use this to start out, and then this to make a bigger hole. I'll be putting them probably about 4 inches apart, which is about a hand's width. The first holes with them, then widen it up with these. Now I'll take these, spin them round a bit so the roots go down, and then just pop these into the hole. I'm doing basically the same as I would with leeks. You can pump these reasonably deep, but it's the balls, the brood balls at the bottom you're after though, so you don't need to get them as deep as leeks, but it doesn't mind, they don't mind if they do. So I'll continue on doing these. And then I'll come back to you when they're finished. Okay then, so I've got about 100 or so planted up here. I've also put all the ones that weren't growing into some of these pots. Well, they were growing, they had roots, but they didn't have the shoots. So some of them, the shoots were really small and not really worth putting in the main bed. So those have been put into here. And those will probably be harvested as baby leeks later on in the season. I've also put some of them, about a dozen, into this pot to grow on as leeks. And once I get some more compost, I've got another, what's this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pots of these to fill up with, well, to use on as leeks or to allow to go on as brood balls. So that's quite a few planted out. Half the winterium bed's been done, the other half will be for garlic later on. And well, that's it for this episode. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, and I will see you on the next video.